What's up everyone, it's RevMaster and welcome back to the channel. So we are on another recovery, CANAVERAL Groves, and we are headed to the same little mud spot that everyone keeps playing in. So there is a bunch of side-by-sides and maybe a couple four-wheelers that have been stuck here since super early this morning. I want to say like 2 or 3 in the morning, and we're gonna try and pull up and get them. They're pretty big, but I got the winch with me. I think I'm gonna anchor to a tree and just give it the best shot that we got. But they already burned up all their winches. But what happens is they leave these stock winches pretty much. So 4,500 pound, 3,500 pound winch on these huge side-by-sides with like 44s, some even 50s, and that much weight when you're stuck just burns those winches up so quick, or you break through the cable or rope on them. So we're gonna pull up, stay away from the mud, kind of stay on the outside, the high and dry, and kind of just winch them out slowly, one at a time. So we're about to pull up. Let's see how bad it is. I don't know if y'all can see that, but she's getting a little hot. This thing's fucking in there. He's starting to move. See the ruts in front of it. It's coming out slowly. Hell yeah. Alright, so we're gonna keep winching. Nice and slow. Slowly moving. See the tires creeping. But yeah, there's some tension on this winch. Up here anchored to that tree. It's slowly coming. Yeah, you can see it's starting to get hot. It's starting to smoke. That's okay. I replaced these cables anyways. But it's working. Nice and slow. It's about out. Spicy. Got my own little fire going on here. Alright, so it's slowly coming out, but we can see how big it is. I'm waiting for this winch to cool down a little bit. That's a lot of weight to pull out. But look how fucking big this thing is. Yeah. Alright, I think we about got him out. Holy shit. The wind's still fucking going. Yeah, Harbor Freight Badland, 12K. Easy does it. Look at how big this fucking thing is. Yeah. Those are 52s on that. Alright y'all, got it out all the way. My buddy Joey, I winched him, and then my buddy Joey pulled him out because there's no reverse on that. I guess the reverse chain broke, they said. So they're out. This mud field's getting worse and worse as more people get stuck. But we'll keep yanking them out. I love these recoveries. So here we go. Let's head back for now. Nice to get everyone out. Not broken too bad, he can drive away, so Hell yeah. All right, like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.